The high-density polymer granules are vacuum sealed, ensuring precise mass crucial for the extrusion process.
The first high-purity electrolytic tough-pitch copper ingots enter the sealed, automated loading bay, demonstrating the robust nature of the equipment.
Uniformity is essential for smooth, consistent extrusion, minimizing air pockets or thin spots. The material
The 8mm copper rod passes through initial descaling and cleaning baths to remove residual oxides.
The bright orange pellets rotate slowly within the heated chamber, subjected to precisely controlled temperature. A freshly drawn, very thin strand of high-purity copper wire being laser scanned for microsurface defects. The newly formed, thick conductor bundle of high-purity copper exiting the final compression roller. The bundle is The newly insulated cable passes through the cooling trough, stabilizing the polymer structure.
AGV transports the high-voltage cable harnesses, designated Process A, towards the secure storage bay.
This is the start of Process B, the high-precision assembly stage.
The deep, reflective quality of the Neptune Blue color is flawless. Robotic sensors map
The schematic indicates the next point is here, following Process B guidelines.
Confirmed. Applying the paste now.
It clears the bracket. Push slowly.
Checking the clearance now. Looks good.
The chassis glides smoothly on its automated carrier, entering a zone dedicated to heavy component integration.
An automated insulation resistance test, or MEGR test, verifies the bright orange high-voltage cables main.
A testament to luxury refinement, the emblem is placed with millimeter precision.
The robotic arm ensures a flawless finish on the Neptune Blue Taycan. This meticulous inspection
Congratulations on your new Taycan.
Thank you. It's absolutely beautiful.
The vehicle silently converts kinetic energy back into electrical energy, flowing high-voltage current in reverse.
The robotic platform precisely guides the Taycan Turbo S. With the high-voltage cables securely installed, reliable function is guaranteed.
Showcasing exceptional stability and handling, enabled by the low center of gravity and the reliable power delivery of the secured high-voltage cables.
In 200 meters, turn left ahead. Then, continue straight for 1 kilometer.
Showcasing the seamless transition from high performance to daily use. The robust engineering is evident in every
The Taycan Turbo S, a culmination of precision engineering, performing flawlessly under the most demanding conditions.